The legal battles between Samsung and Apple have been some of the most prominent in the tech industry, with disputes ranging from patent infringements to design rights. Below is a summary of the key court cases and their significance. The main patent infringement case, 2011 to 2018. Filed by Apple, Apple sued Samsung in 2011, claiming Samsung had copied the design and functionality of the iPhone, including patented features like the slide to unlock and the general aesthetic of the device. Samsung's counterclaims: Samsung accused Apple of infringing on its wireless communication patents. Key highlights. Apple initially won a $1.05 billion judgment in 2012. Samsung appealed the decision multiple times, leading to reduced damages. In 2016, the U.S. Supreme Court sided with Samsung on how damages should be calculated, design versus functionality, leading to a partial retrial. Final settlement: 2018. Samsung agreed to pay Apple an undisclosed amount, though the damages were reported to be around $539 million. Design patent issues. Apple argued that Samsung copied the iPhone's iconic rounded corner design, front face, and grid of icons. A significant point of contention was whether damages should reflect profits from the entire device or only the part of the design that was copied. This case set a precedent for interpreting design patent damages globally. Galaxy Tab vs. iPad, 2011. Apple sought to block Samsung's Galaxy Tab in various markets, arguing it copied the iPad's design. European Union. In 2011, a German court issued a temporary injunction banning the Galaxy Tab 10.1 from being sold in the EU, later reversed in some countries. UK outcome: a UK judge ruled in favor of Samsung, famously saying Samsung's tablets were not as cool as Apple's iPad. Worldwide disputes. These lawsuits were not confined to the U.S. courts, they played out in jurisdictions worldwide. South Korea, courts found mutual infringement by both companies but largely ruled in Samsung's favor. Japan, Samsung won, with the court rejecting Apple's claims. Australia, Apple won an initial injunction, but it was overturned, and the case was eventually settled. Long-term impact. The legal battles reshaped intellectual property law in the tech industry, particularly concerning design and utility patents. Both companies shifted strategies. Samsung began focusing on creating more distinct designs, e.g., Galaxy Edge with curved screens. Current relations. Despite years of litigation, Apple and Samsung continue to collaborate in other areas, e.g., Samsung supplies OLED screens for iPhones. Their legal rivalry has diminished in recent years.